Struggling to grow a full beard? Got an itchy beard? Is it an uncontrollable mess? It's time to channel your inner lumberjack. Get the perfectly sculpted and manly beard you've always wanted with the Rapid Beard Grooming and Trimming Kit. This kit comes with everything you need to get your beard looking fuller, thicker, and healthier. Here's what's inside this badass beard kit. You got 100% natural and organic beard oil, packed with vitamins and essential oils like jojoba, argan, vitamin E, and much more. And best of all, it's unscented, so you won't have to deal with those nausea-inducing smells like with other brands. Next, you've got the best beard balm on the market. This nutrient-rich leave-in conditioner keeps your beard and skin feeling hydrated and soft, while easy to shape and tame due to its superior hold abilities. Say goodbye to that annoying beard itch and dandruff. Once you got yourself a sizable beard that's soft and silky, you gotta groom and shape that baby. Luckily, keeping your beard looking good has never been easier with our 100% boar bristle brush that distributes natural oils evenly and keeps your beard damage-free in the long run. Also included is a handmade natural wooden comb, which will slide through your beard hair without snagging and pulling them like other cheap plastic combs. Finally are the extra sharp and perfectly designed stainless steel barber grade scissors. This kit has got it all, and it's perfect for any beard type. Big, small, long, short, thick, thin, coarse, you name it. Get it for yourself or your bearded friend. It makes a fantastic gift and comes packed in a premium gift box and a canvas carry bag. Every gentleman deserves a great beard. If you're ready to take your beard game to the next level, get your Rapid Beard Grooming Kit today.